Struggling to find Odoo's theme switcher? Change your entire site's look in under 4 minutes. First, we'll enter edit mode to reveal the theme panel. Then we'll pick and apply a new theme, and Odoo will update your site automatically. First, navigate to your Odoo homepage so we've got a clean starting point. Then, click the Edit button in the top right corner to start customizing. On the right side panel, go ahead and click Theme to open the theme settings. Now, click Switch Theme to move to the next step. Then just click OK to confirm the switch. Next, browse through the available themes, and once you find one you like, click Use this theme. All that's left is to wait a few seconds while Odoo applies your new theme. Enjoy! If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.